Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Vicky. We think living surrounded by nature is the future and saw a gap in the market for a digital-first brand fit for a new generation of gardeners.
So we launched The Stem. The Stem is a real force of nature in the industry, revolutionising the £7.5 billion a year UK market from the ground up.
We're on a mission to connect people to nature with a best-in-class digital experience.
Since launching our new website in March 2020, The Stem has flourished.
And now we're planning to dominate the industry by obsessively perfecting our customer experience, turning our Plant Academy into an industry-leading content platform, and creating a one-stop shop for all things green.
Plus, we put sustainability at the heart of everything we do. We're aiming for 100% electric deliveries in London by the end of this year.
Planting 60,000 trees in 2021 and releasing new sustainable product ranges like our peat-free plants and dried flowers.
We're growing like a weed.
At the start of January, we launched nationwide, increasing our market by 7.5 times. And now it's time to take the STEM to the next level.
By adding some super smart people to our team.
Further expanding our product ranges and creating some kick-ass content. You, our community, are at the heart of everything we do, and with your help, we can connect more people to nature than ever before.
Our ultimate goal is to capture 5% of the UK market and to create an industry-leading business for people, profit, and planet. So join our green gang and let's make the STEM bloom.
And with your crucial support, we can finally stop James doing any more plant puns.
Leaf it out, Vicky.
Who's the guy with the trumpet?